Hey folks, cold, wet, and damp outside, warm, hot, and dry inside. That's what you're going to get with this terrain. It's a 2012. It's an SLT2 loaded V6 all-wheel drive GMC terrain. Heated power leather, sunroof, backup cam, dual exhaust, privacy glass, luggage rack, 2 owners, over 17 dealer service records, factory chromes. Car is absolutely new inside and out, folks. It's solid, it's clean, no abuse, no paintwork, no accidents, no issues. Loaded up, ready to go. Got a set of all weather mats for it as well. Fully serviced, safety inspected. Guaranteed credit approval is going to get you a $995 starting down payment on this car, folks. $995 starting down. It's a 13, or I'm sorry, it's a 12. It's a Terrain SLT. It's got no accidents, no issues. The body is absolutely perfect. The interior's even nicer. Non-smoker. Loved and respected, folks. It's ready to go. It's the right one. It's now at dascleveland.com. It's $995 starting down with a perfect free Carfax. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. That's the Das Cleveland way. dascleveland.com.